Hello and welcome to 2750 McAllister. Today we're going to be touring a lovely two-bedroom apartment located walking distance to Golden Gate Park, to Gary Street and Clement Street, where you'll find many wonderful fresh produce markets, shops, and conveniences. Okay, so let's enter the building here. You have your call box to the left. You have a secured mail room also to the left behind the gate. The unit that we're going to be touring is behind the courtyard here. It is located on the ground level. However, you're towards the back of the building, so it is very quiet. And you do get lots of natural light. Okay, so here is the living room. You have a nice bedroom here with a big window. Hardwood floors throughout. This faces the back of the building. Each of the bedrooms have large closets, sliding doors, and this goes all the way back, and you have a nice long bar and double shelf. Okay, back into the living room, you have a second bedroom here. They're pretty equal in size and closet space. This one also has a window that is off the street. Two closets in the hallway. There's your linen closet located conveniently just off the bathroom. You have a tub and shower combination, medicine cabinet, pedestal sink, good size shower head, sliding glass door. There's your toilet. And here's a better view of the living room. Gas heat, you have a private patio. This kitchen has granite counters, electric range, and a dining area just outside the kitchen. If you're interested in this lovely space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.